Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
Happy December 21st! Today's clue is that these Germans like things a little twisted. Well, my first thought, is there anything with Helga Achtung ich Spritze here? But no, apparently not. So I think we're gonna have to go for these ones, the Germans with pretzels. Yeah, maybe a more family-friendly kind of twisted. 21st. And we have a Weihenstephaner, I think it is. Well, I've drank it many times before. Wheat beer, I think. But let's see if I'm correct. Maybe I'm misremembering things. Maybe this is a completely different thing. Like a really sour beer. No, no. So, while the foam settles a bit, I'm gonna let you enjoy the nice choir in the background. And don't you love my hat, by the way? Look at it. It's enormous. I'm not compensating. So. It's a pretty good wheat beer. Probably one of the more standard beers in this calendar, but decent enough. Not my favorite, but cheers.